Today, I am going to show you exactly how to format text in Microsoft Loop. Let's dive into the world of Microsoft Loop. Whether you're completely new to this platform or just looking to brush up on your skills, understanding how to format text can significantly improve the way you present and organize your information. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently format text within Microsoft Loop, making your documents not only aesthetically pleasing, but also clearer and more effective in communication. To get started, you first need to open your preferred web browser. Once you have it up and running, type Microsoft Loop into the search bar. Hit enter, and you should see the official Microsoft Loop website appear at the top of your search results. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the site. If you find yourself not signed in yet, you'll need to log in. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click it and enter your login details to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific page or component within Microsoft Loop that you wish to work on. This could be an ongoing project, a shared document, or any other component you want to update. Having the right context is crucial when you're formatting text, because it ensures your changes are both relevant and beneficial to the presentation or readability of your content. Now, with your document open, the first step in formatting is to select the text you want to modify. Use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the specific section of text. As soon as you do that, a formatting menu should appear automatically. This menu is essentially your toolbox for styling your text just the way you want it. Within this formatting menu, you'll find a variety of options. You can make text bold to emphasize crucial points, italicize words or phrases to subtly highlight them, and underline key pieces of information. You also have the option to change the font size and style, which can make your document appear more professional and well-organized. Remember, formatting isn't solely about how your text looks. It's also about enhancing the clarity and effectiveness of the information you're presenting. For example, if you have a list of tasks or bullet points, using indentation and bullet formatting can make your ideas much clearer and easier to follow. After making your desired changes, it's important to review them before finalizing. It's all too easy to overlook minor errors or inconsistencies while you're deep into editing. Take a moment to ensure that all the formatted text aligns with your goals for clarity and visual appeal. By doing so, you ensure that your document is not only polished, but also communicates your message effectively. You can format text in Microsoft Loop like a pro. This will not only make your documents look more professional, but also help in conveying information more efficiently and effectively. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to format text in Microsoft Loop. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and tips like this.